Hi, Paul. Thank you very much for attending our 5 Steps to RTO Success. And our conference. Paul is actually a member of ours, and it's been fantastic working with him. And you're from FAST Training, yes? Yeah. Tell us a little bit about your college.
FAST College was based on mainly about aquatic centers and pool operation management. Bought it 2 years ago, and then, like you said, audit came and I found you. Luckily, I found you.
Yep.
Everything works well. Everything's, but
Yeah. Okay, so you've just attended the last 2 days, the RTO Success Workshop. What was the biggest takeaway that you got from the workshops?
would be go ahead with my plan.
Yep.
Because
Doing strategy?
Yeah, strategy. Because before that, everything was held up with the ASQA Audit.
Yep.
And now I know what I'm doing now, and I know I can actually plan ahead. Doesn't matter what the outcome is.
Yes.
And especially with the marketing and also the leadership, how to form your team.
Yes.
Yeah, I really love the ideas.
Yep.
And also, the funding part.
Oh, yes, of course.
That's the area.
Actually knowing where to go to get the funding.
Where to go to find the information. I'm not sure which funding we can get, but I know where to find the information.
Yes.
That's the big help.
And get on the lists and get the information.
Yeah.
And you've just attended the Vivacity Conference. What was the best part about attending the conference?
Networking.
Networking?
Yeah, get to know a lot of people. Although we're like in a different industry, vocational industry. But yeah, it's good to know what other people's doing and sharing information.
Yep.
Good to know about the automation.
Yes.
The system, how to build up system automation. Accounting part helps us as well.
Yep.
And good to know the minister as well, because he's really we really feel the connections, and we know we can make a change.
And it's great the ministers come from a business background because there's a better understanding of where we're from. So Minister Irons speaking today was fantastic.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, thank you very much for attending. And we
so much.
love having you as a client. It's been awesome having you on our team.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's it.